In a world that often feels chaotic and overwhelming, finding a moment of calm and connection through prayer can make all the difference. Today we're diving into how to pray with purpose in 2025, embracing God's light and allowing it to guide us on our journey. First, let's understand the importance of intention in prayer. When we approach prayer with purpose, we open our hearts and minds to a deeper connection with God. It's more than just reciting words, it's about aligning our thoughts and feelings with the divine presence. Take a moment before you start to settle your mind. Take a deep breath and invite God into your thoughts. Next, consider the power of gratitude. Beginning your prayer with gratitude shifts your focus from what's lacking in your life to what you already have. Thank God for the blessings, big or small. This simple practice not only enhances your prayer experience, but it allows you to acknowledge the light that God shines into your life daily. As you continue, reflect on specific intentions. What is it that you truly seek? Whether it's clarity, strength, guidance, or healing, articulate these desires in your prayer. Don't hesitate to express your fears and worries too. God welcomes your honesty. This is a conversation, a relationship, and just like in any relationship, communication is key. Another powerful practice is visualizing God's light during your prayer. Imagine it surrounding you, filling the space, illuminating the dark corners of your mind and heart. This imagery can provide comfort and remind you that you are never alone. You are wrapped in divine light, guiding you in your decisions and actions. Lastly, spend some time in silence. In our fast-paced world, we often overlook the power of stillness. After sharing your thoughts and intentions, pause. Listen for God's response. This is where the magic happens. Clarity often comes when we quiet our minds and allow His voice to fill the silence. Thank you for joining us today as we explored how to pray with purpose and embrace God's light in 2025. We encourage you to take these practices into your daily life and experience the profound peace and connection they can bring. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspirational content. Until next time, keep praying with purpose and embracing the light.